Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jenny. How can I help you?
I wanted to ask about the science project.
Sure, Jenny. What do you need to know?
I'm confused about the topic selection. Could you guide me?
Certainly. Choose a topic that interests you and has practical applications.
Okay, I was thinking about renewable energy.
That's an excellent choice. Are you planning to focus on solar, wind, or another type?
I was thinking about solar energy.
Great idea. You can demonstrate how solar panels work.
Thank you, sir. I'll start researching today.
Good. Do you need any specific resources?
Yes, could you recommend some books or websites?
Sure. Check out Solar Power for Beginners and explore the National Renewable Energy Lab website.
Thank you, sir. That's very helpful.
You're welcome, Jenny. Let me know if you need more guidance.
Sir, I have another question about the project.
Of course, Jenny. Go ahead.
How long should my presentation be?
Aim for 10 to 15 minutes, covering the key points.
Okay, and should I include a demonstration?
Yes, if possible. It'll make your presentation more engaging.
Great. I'll work on a small model to show how solar panels generate electricity.
Excellent. Make sure it's simple yet effective.
Sir, do we have to submit a report along with the presentation?
Yes, a brief report summarizing your findings and conclusions.
Got it. What's the deadline?
The deadline is next Friday.
Thank you, sir. I'll ensure everything is ready by then.
Good. Have you decided on your team members, or will you work alone?
I'll be working alone.
That's fine, but make sure to manage your time effectively.
I will, sir. Thank you for the reminder.
By the way, have you completed the last homework assignment?
Yes, sir. I submitted it yesterday.
I've reviewed it. You did a good job, but you can improve your explanations in some parts.
Thank you for the feedback, sir. I'll work on that.
Great. Keep up the effort.
Sir, I also wanted to ask about the upcoming science quiz.
Sure. The quiz will cover chapters 5, 6, and 7.
Will it include practical-based questions?
Yes, there will be a mix of theory and practical application.
Thank you, sir. I'll review those chapters carefully.
Good. Focus on understanding the concepts rather than memorizing.
I'll do that, sir.
Sir, I wanted to discuss my marks in the last test.
Of course, Jenny. What concerns you?
I scored lower than expected in chemistry.
Let's review your test paper and identify the areas you need to work on.
Thank you, sir. That would be very helpful.
Sure. I noticed you lost marks in balancing chemical equations.
Yes, I found that tricky.
No problem. Let's practice a few examples together.
Thank you, sir. I'll also review the textbook examples.
That's a good approach. Keep practicing, and you'll improve.
Sir, I have another question about our history project.
Go ahead, Jenny.
Can we use digital slides for our presentation?
Yes, that's allowed. Just ensure they are well organized.
Thank you, sir. I'll work on creating clear and concise slides.
That's a good idea. Let me know if you'd like me to review them.
I will, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I've been thinking about joining the debate club.
That's a great initiative, Jenny. You have strong communication skills.
Thank you, sir. Do you think it'll help me with public speaking?
Absolutely. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and learn to present arguments effectively.
Thank you, sir. I'll sign up today.
That's wonderful. Let me know how it goes.
Sir, I have one more question about the science project.
Sure, Jenny. What is it?
Can I use recycled materials for my model?
Of course. That's a creative and eco-friendly approach.
Thank you, sir. I'll start collecting the materials.
Great. Keep me updated on your progress.
I will, sir. Sir, I've started working on my science project model.
That's great to hear, Jenny. How's it coming along?
I've created the basic structure, but I'm not sure about the wiring for the solar panel demonstration.
No problem. Use simple copper wires and ensure the connections are secure.
Thank you, sir. I'll try that.
Good. Let me know if you encounter any issues while assembling it.
I will, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask about the annual sports day.
Sure. What would you like to know?
Are there any individual events for students?
Yes, we have running races, long jump, and a few other solo events.
Thank you, sir. I'm planning to participate in the 100-meter race.
That's an excellent choice. Start practicing regularly.
I will, sir. Do you have any tips for improving my speed?
Yes, focus on proper warm-ups and interval training to build endurance.
Thank you, sir. I'll follow your advice. Sir, I wanted to discuss my participation in the science exhibition.
Sure, Jenny. What's your idea for the exhibition?
I'm thinking of demonstrating how solar energy can power small appliances.
That's a fantastic idea. It's both practical and innovative.
Thank you, sir. I'll start preparing for it.
Good. Make sure to explain the concept clearly during your presentation.
I'll practice explaining it, sir. Thank you for your guidance. Sir, I have a question about today's history class.
Of course, Jenny. What's your question?
I didn't fully understand the causes of World War I.
Let me simplify it for you. The primary causes were militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism.
Thank you, sir. That explanation makes it clearer.
You're welcome, Jenny. Focus on understanding these key points for the exam.
I will, sir. Thank you. Sir, do we have any upcoming competitions?
Yes, the inter-school debate competition is next month.
That sounds exciting. Can I participate in it?
Absolutely. I'll help you prepare if you need assistance.
Thank you, sir. I'll start researching topics.
Good. Remember to practice speaking confidently.
I'll do that, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask about the library timings.
The library is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Jenny.
Thank you, sir. I'll visit during lunch break to borrow a book.
That's a good plan. Let me know if you need book recommendations.
Sir, I've completed my essay on renewable energy.
That's excellent, Jenny. Would you like me to review it?
Yes, please, sir.
Sure. Submit it to me tomorrow, and I'll provide feedback.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Jenny. Keep up the good work.
Sir, I need advice on managing my study schedule.
Of course, Jenny. What's your current routine?
I study in the evenings, but I often run out of time for revisions.
Try dedicating specific hours for each subject and include short breaks.
Thank you, sir. I'll reorganize my schedule.
Good. Consistency is key, Jenny.
I'll keep that in mind, sir. Sir, could you explain today's physics topic again?
Sure, Jenny. What part didn't you understand?
The concept of refraction was a bit confusing.
Let me explain. Refraction occurs when light passes from one medium to another, changing its speed and direction.
Thank you, sir. That's much clearer now.
Good. Practice solving the related problems, and you'll get the hang of it.
I will, sir. Thank you.